This tutorial is for 3rd grade, Module 5, Lesson 29. In this lesson, we will continue to use various fraction models to compare fractions. The first problem has been done for us. I have two rectangles. Each rectangle has been shaded to represent a fraction. The first rectangle is showing us 2/6. The whole was divided into 6 equal pieces, and 2 of those are shaded. The second whole was divided into 3 equal pieces, and 2 of those were also shaded. And you can see that 2/3 is greater than 2/6, or 2/6 is less than 2/3. In my next picture, I have a circle that has been divided into 4 equal pieces, and that's what my denominator will show. 3 of those pieces have been shaded, so that fraction shows 3/4. The next circle has been divided into 8 equal pieces, and 3 of those pieces have been shaded. And you can see that 3/4 takes up much more space than 3/8. So 3/4 is greater than 3/8. Here are a couple more examples. Here I have a square. It has been divided into 4 pieces, and 1 of those pieces has been shaded. The second square has been divided into 2 pieces, and 1 of those pieces has been shaded. 1/2 is greater than 1/4, so I would read this as 1/4 is less than 1/2. And the pictures for problem 4 show my whole has been divided into 4 pieces, and all 4 pieces have been shaded. The second whole has been divided into 6 pieces, and 4 of those are shaded. 4/4 fills up the entire whole, and it is greater than 4/6. So we'll say 4/4 is greater than 4/6. In the next section, we have some number lines. Each number line is showing one whole as the distance between 0 and 1. And we're going to partition each of these number lines into the given fraction. For example, our first number line needs to be divided into halves, so I'll mark the middle and label each mark as halves. So I have 0/2, 1/2, and 2/2. I'm going to do the same thing for the next 2 number lines, dividing the first one into 4ths and the last one into 8ths. Now that I have my number lines labeled, I'm going to use those to help me compare fractions. The first problem is comparing 3/8 to 3/4. So I'll find my 3/8 point right here, and I'm comparing that to 3/4. 3/4 is greater than 3/8, or 3/8 is less than 3/4. Now I'm going to compare 4/4 to 4/8. So here I have 4/4, and I'm comparing that to 4/8. 4/4 is greater than 4/8 because it's farther to the right. And my last comparison is between 2/4 and 2/8. So I have 2/4 here and 2/8 here. That means 2/4 is greater than 2/8.